Hey fellow hobbyists, today I'm going to show you how to make your own Christmas kiosk so that all of those walking to see Christmas lights can more easily enjoy your show. In the description of this video, I've linked to this share drive. It has your parts list as well as kind of step-by-step details for how to configure the Raspberry Pi. More detail that I'll go into this video. I'm going to kind of give an overview of the process, but inside of this document you can find detailed commands, files you need to edit, references with more detail, but I'm going to go through the flow of this document just to kind of show you how to configure the Raspberry Pi. So the very first thing we need to do is go ahead and load our operating system. For this tutorial we're using a Raspberry Pi 4 operating system. We're going to use the full Raspberry Pi OS. A lot of these kiosk tutorials use light. We're going to use full, and that has to do with how you rotate the screen. It just simplifies it to have this GUI. And then we're going to use an SD card. I have a 256 gig loaded right now. My actual device that I use in my kiosk is a 32 gig card and it has plenty of room. So just hit next. Now we do want to edit these settings because we want to make sure that we have actually put in host names and, most importantly, the username, password, and the WAN or the LAN address, our Wi-Fi information. Because most of what we're going to be doing through an SSH session, not through mouse, keyboard, and monitor. You can do it through mouse, keyboard, and monitor, but this makes life a lot easier. So you'll put in your Wi-Fi name, and then you'll put in your Wi-Fi password. This is also important. Make sure you select the right country, United States for me. If you pick the wrong country here, you can have connectivity issues. Then we need to go over here to services, make sure we have enabled SSH. I'm using password. You can use public key, but I find password to be easier for what we are doing. And then hit save. Once we hit yes, it'll begin writing the operating system. Once the flash process completes, we can insert the SD card into our Raspberry Pi, which prepares us for the next part of this tutorial where we will go over updating our Pi and configuring the touchscreen settings.